everybody. I don't know if the camera picked that up. This is my hand. It's a hand and all that. How long have we been on the road? Hour and a half? Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna go pick up some lunch and then go get me a bird. So exciting. Been doing school. Fittingly, my thing that I had to deal was about penguins. Look at that natural lighting, isn't it? Wow. 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 Oh. That was fast and loud. Trees. But yeah, it's been a nice drive. I don't think the sun is in my eyes, but yeah, I like the sights here, which is pretty much trees and then grungy cities. That's pretty much what I've been seeing for an hour and a half. That and a thing about penguins. I don't know. I'll show you our travel cage. That's probably too small. This is our travel cage that's too small. We got some seeds. We didn't get the bird water, which probably is a mistake. Got a little rope perch I made. It's nice. I don't know. The seeds smell like a granola bar, which weirds me out. I mean, it's just seeds, but I don't know if you guys can hear me, like, at all, so I'm just gonna get closer to the microphone, and this is really uncomfortable. But yeah, it has a nice little opening up thingy. I don't know. Y'all, Zuzu loves here. I don't know. My camera just feels not focused, even though it's completely focused. So yeah, just got back from lunch. We got my hand here, and yeah, So yeah, lunch was phenomenal. We went to an Amish place, and wow, it's really good. What'd you think of it, Dad?
Oh, it's delicious.
Yeah.
I'm stuffed.
Yeah. The pie, Dad. Ooh, there are horses in the background that nobody can see on the camera. But yeah, the food there was really good, and I got like 5 plates of vegetables or something though. But yeah, very sorry I haven't uploaded videos in a while. It's been kind of crazy. I don't know. I have to babysit tomorrow, which is gonna be kind of hard with a new bird. So we're probably gonna have to put her up in the hallway, which I wouldn't recommend, but yeah, I don't know how that's gonna work out. Oh, horses! Oh, they're so cute. Horses. Out of focus horses. Wow. A tree in the background that looks like a camel. That thing. That's what it's called. I still have bronchitis. I has the bronchitis. I don't know, it's okay. I feel better now, to some degree. I don't know, I still feel kind of bad that we don't have water for the bird. And I'll update you when we're either like stuck in traffic or something. When the next eventful thing happens. Because that's how eventful being stuck in traffic is. So, people of Zuzu Loves, I got a bird. The camera won't focus on her for whatever reason. But yeah. I didn't vlog right away because she was really terrified. Isn't that right? Whoop, 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 whoop. Careful. Oh, yeah. The lighting in here is really weird, so that's why it's all blurry, I think. It's okay. It's okay. I don't know. But yeah, this is Madge. Isn't that right? That's your name. Your name is Madge. Do you like that name? Yeah. We have to go. Why is the car so bumpy? She does like the perch, but since it's so bumpy car ride, I think she likes it better on the floor. She's a good little bird. I got to hold her. Her wings are clipped so she can't really go far. They'll grow back. I don't want to leave them clipped. Aw, I think she's scared. I think she's calmed down a little bit. She's light blue and white. She's very pretty. See you later when I can get a better camera view of her. Bye. People of Zuzu Loves, this is Madge. We got her home. She was all good. Yeah, it's kind of weird because the breeder just met us in a parking lot. But, I mean, she didn't come out of nowhere. She was a nice breeder. She was a good breeder. All of the reviews I got were very good. So, yeah, this is Madge. This is my new birdie. Say hi to Zuzu lovers. Say hello to Zuzu Loves fan. Come on, let's see if I can. She's brand new, but she does trust my hand in the cage a little bit. Guess not. It's okay, Madge. Oh, sorry. We literally just got. Ooh. No, stop focusing on the bars and focus on the bird. Yeah. But yeah, we literally just got her like a couple hours ago. We spent this whole day driving. Oh, sorry. I moved the cage a little bit. So yeah, she's got some food, a little bit of seed mix, some Wawa. I barely even got her any water. What in the world? She hasn't had anything to drink this whole time. She's had stuff to eat, but she's probably so thirsty. So I'm just gonna leave her alone and let her drink. She does trust me a good bit. So yeah, it's okay, Madge. I also know that she doesn't like the song My Blood by 21 Pilots. We are listening to music on the way home, and my sister wants to trade her for a cat. classic Slytherins. See you later, guys. I gotta go to something. Bye.